No more shortening of SSC and HSC syllabus. Yesterday, it was stated by Education Minister Dipu Moni that there is no opportunity for further minimizing the syllabus of SSC and HSC exams taking place this year. As Dipu Moni attended a medical and eye camp arranged by Dhaka Reporters Unity as a chief guest, she made it clear that due to the COVID-19 situations, the authorities have already shortened the syllabus of SSC and HSC examinations, and the exam will be held once the shortened syllabus courses are revised by the students. She added that the government will not pay any concern if any movements take place for further minimizing the syllabus. Hence, the students were asked to focus on their studies. As per schedule, HSC and equivalent exams of the year will begin on 2nd December while the SSC and equivalent exam will start on 14th November. The conclusion date for HSC exams is on December 30th and for SSC exam is on November 23rd. The test of the examinees will be taken on only 3 optional subjects including a very short syllabus with less mark for examinations. Exams for compulsory subjects like English, Bangla and mathematics will not be held.